Hey guys, so today I got something really interesting, and this is a locksmith tool training kit. As you can see, you get a lock and a key, and this is basically transparent, and you can see that it's got all these spring mechanism, and it's pretty cool. They also give a quick user guide on how to use all these tools, and in the pouch you can see all 17 tools are there. So it's got all these fancy tools, like I actually don't know what these are. So I'm just gonna take a closer look at the lock here, and this is the key they give with it. There's two keys, and it's really heavy, and it's made from really good plastic, I think. But yeah, the quality of it is amazing. It looks really good, and it feels good too. So I'm just gonna show you like what I think it does. I still don't know how this works, but so I'm trying to insert this in and show you how the spring mechanism works. Okay, it's a little bit difficult to get it right, but yeah, you can see the springs move slightly if you look carefully. Yeah, you see the springs move there. So yeah, I'm sorry about the camera angle, but yeah, I'm trying to. So yeah, here you could see how each spring moves, and I believe when all of it aligns, that's how you unlock it. So you guys could use the guide that comes on with it and learn how to, crack this. And I just want to show you that the springs do work, and yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.